2 million YouTuber.
Oh, nice.
And
Right.
also he's a lawyer and TV celebrity.
Oh, nice.
Every day.
Nice.
Every day on TV.
Thank you very much for coming to Sri Lanka. It's an honor to have you.
스리랑카에서는 차를 갖고 와서 드렁큰 하면은 차는 어떻게 하는지.
Okay.
Your license will get cancelled. First time 6 months. If you get caught 3 times, license cancelled.
License cancelled.
Cancel. You will
And
never
then-
get your license.
Forever?
Forever.
How about the prison? How long? First time?
Prison only if it's an accident,
Accident.
And a death. Then you're put to courts. There are no fine. Straight to courts.
아,
Very
벌금 없고
strict.
무조건 감옥 사는.
Very strict. I don't even take a beer and drive. I'm very scared.
대리운전 있는 친구.
없어. In Korea, when we had got drunk, then we called the call center, designate driving call center. By pay, they come and they drive.
We have safe.
You have?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Drink and drive safe.
Really, you have?
So you come in your vehicle, you have few drinks, too much. You call this number, they come in a motorbike, 2 guys. One guy will drive, the other guy will follow and drop you at your place. Then he'll get into the bike, he'll go back.
Really? I didn't know.
갔다가 모토바이크 따라오네. 빨로. 또 뒤에 태우고 와서 들고.
Yeah, there's no way of him to come back, right?
Yeah.
So the bike, his colleague will follow and he'll take him and come.
그 이때니까.
I didn't know. Okay, very good system.
How long will be in Sri Lanka?
1 week. So
1 week.
tomorrow we leave. There are many things to
See,
watch.
many things to see. Tourism is the 3rd biggest revenue generator for the country. If you really see, traditionally Sri Lanka was known only for the sun and the beach. But today if we have religious tourism, we have adventure sports, we have marine tourism, we have health, Ayurvedic, which is very famous for Sri Lanka, the medical treatment. Sri Lanka is a very friendly country and everywhere and anywhere is extremely safe.
다음에는 스리랑카의 대리운전을 체험하기 위해서 한번 오겠다고 해요.
Please let us know
Okay.
when you are making your next visit to take the positive message to the Korean market.
Yeah, definitely.
Hi everyone, so I call all my friends in Korea to visit Sri Lanka. It's a wonderful destination and I'm sure you will not regret if you make a holiday to Sri Lanka. Thank you, looking forward to meeting you all.
Thank you.
Great.